Hi guys, my name is Seun Digital. If you're a young man like me and you're looking for every means to make money online, then this video is right for you. Okay, I know you've heard about Opay and some of you are using it to receive money and to send money to your loved ones, and also most time you also use to buy airtime and also to get it for your girlfriend and your loved ones. So in this video I'm going to be showing you other ways you can actually use to make money on these Opay. So one thing you need to do right now is, if you don't have an account, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box of this video if you're watching this video from YouTube, and if you're watching this video on TikTok, I'm going to be dropping it in my bio. Just go ahead and click the link to sign up. When you sign up with the link, you're going to get a bonus of 1,200 naira only. So let's dive in the video where I show you every other ways you can use to make money on Opay application. So after which you've signed up with the link provided in the bio if you're watching from TikTok, or with the link provided in the description of the YouTube channel. Let's talk about the referral bonus now. Now when you refer somebody, you're going to get 800, and the person you referred is going to get 1,200. That alone give you that understanding that, oh, with referring me, I can make as much as 800 naira per head. So let's say, okay, oh, you don't want to refer, you're not that person that can refer, just like me. What other ways can you use to make money on this application? Now let me walk you through the process and enjoy the video. All right, one thing you need to understand, we have so many functions in these application. You are from here you can see something like add money. When you want to add a lot of money, you want to add more money to your account, you can click on that. Here you can use transfer money. You can use to transfer money to friend, family, and here you can see withdraw. All right, so all of these things have their own functionality. Okay, here payment, under payment, here you're gonna see you can buy Airtel, you can buy data, you can bet online, you can pay for your betting online or your online betting platform, you can subscribe to your TV, you can pay for your electricity, you can pay for your internet, you can pay school and all. Then here you can click on more to get more details, and here down below they said earn up to 800 when you refer somebody, and again say earn up to 15% annual interest. Okay, so let's go down here. So here is the same referral bonus. So these people are pushing a referral bonus because they want more people on their platform, and the more people they have, the more money they are gonna make, because you are investing, you are putting money in the platform too. All right, so here we have rewards, here we have finance, we have cards, and we have me. So I'm going to walk you all through this. Here we have your name. Okay, here you can call customer care, you can see all of that, you can see notification right here, and you can see scan right here. All right, all of these things have their own functionality. So let's go. Now if you click on, so let's just forget about this payment option, the Airtel, the data, all of those things, you know about it very well. I know you know that. So let's go to reward. When you click on reward, when you come to reward, and you're gonna see something like this, or get back, when you buy Airtel, you get a cashback of 3% of whatever you buy. Okay, you buy data, you get 3% cashback of what you buy. That's what it just mean. All right, so let's go back to, let's click on finance down here. Okay, I'm gonna click on it. Here is the game changer. Here is what I want you to focus your energy on. One thing, when you send money into Opay, don't just keep your money in the Opay wallet without doing anything. Don't just keep your money in the Opay without doing anything. Okay, so make sure is either you transfer your earning or your money into this old wallet. Now, if you transfer your money into this old wallet, it says enjoy daily returns and withdraw all at once. Withdraw at any time, up to 15% annual. All right, So 15% is given to you annual. And the beautiful part of these people is that even though you don't want to wait for 1 year to withdraw your money, the percentage is being splitted to daily interest. Now every day they are giving you something. It's going to be accumulating till your 1 year, and that was going to be 15%. So if you don't want to wait for 1 year, every day something is dropping on your money. So you want to consider to do this owealth instead of just putting your money on the Opay alone. Put it in owealth. Okay, so how do you put it in your owealth? So if you click on owealth right now, you're gonna see it. Right now, before I even put some money in my account, I only had maybe 20 something naira or so there, and that 20 something naira I had in this account was giving me this every day. It was giving me nine kobo every blessed day. It was giving me 9 kobo. Just putting 25 naira there, it was giving me 9 kobo. That shows that if you put more money there, you're going to be getting something every day, right? Instead of putting it in on other commercial banks. All right, so how do you now put the money here? If you come here, you can always say, oh, transfer your money into this place. You can always transfer your money into this particular place. All right, so right here you can see auto invest. You can also invest your money in this owealth and stick your money down for a period of time. Okay, so that's for that. If you click on settings, you can also see receive money direct into your owealth. I have set my own, like, okay, any money that comes into my account, it should come to this owealth. Whenever I need it, I will withdraw it from there, instead of just leaving it in the other wallet that don't add up anything. Okay, so you can always leave it in this owealth, or you can also do auto invest every night. Okay, transfer fund from your Opay balance to owealth. Am I saying owealth? Owealth, rather. I'm sorry about that. Owealth. And because I'm between 10 to 11 p.m. daily, all right, and you can also turn it off anytime you like. So that is that for you. So let's go back to, let's come out of this owealth, and you can also click on invest. If you have your money in your Opay balance, this is where you're going to transfer the money from your Opay balance to this owealth. So you're going to see, you can see something like this, transfer from Opay balance to your wallet. Just click on, if you have money in your Opay balance, it's going to appear when you click all. Just click on that and transfer everything, and click on next and transfer everything to this place. All right, so that is what I did. All right, so we have that as the owealth. So let's go back and explain furthermore. Now, when you come to this part, you're gonna see something like targets. I mean, these targets look the same like 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓. Okay, so when you click on target, you're gonna see, okay, I want to target for this particular stuff, I want to target for that. So this is target, and it's also the same 15% annual. All right, so you have accommodation, you want to target, you want to save towards your accommodation, you want to save towards your education or your children education, and you want to save towards your business or events that you're having in the next 5-3 months. You want to save towards them. You want to save towards appliances, emergencies, and all of traveling and all. So if you say, okay, I want to save for my accommodation, just click on accommodation and say, okay, achieve your target easily. Okay, so you can see our automated debit feature enables you to reach your target goals faster. So you can say proceed. Okay, if you don't want to say proceed. And the beautiful part of these people is that if you put the amount you want to save, oh, what is the name of the target? So let's say rent, my rent. Okay, so how much are you looking towards? How much do you want to save? How much are you targeting? What's your overall target amount for this plan? 1 million. All right, let's say 1 million. So if I say done, click on 1 minute and click next, you see what it's going to tell me. It's going to tell me to choose a saving frequency. Okay, I'm going to say daily. If I say daily, and what time what time or what date am I starting. I can say, oh, I want to start next day, tomorrow, or so let's say tomorrow. Okay, so when I say tomorrow, it's gonna say setback date, payback date. When do I want to get the money out? So I'm gonna say, okay, I want to get this money out by December. So it's gonna tell me the exact amount of money that I need to be paying every day. All right, so I'm gonna go to December, May. This is May. This is May, June, July, September, October, November, December. So I'm gonna do December 30th. All right, so December 30th, what time do I want the money to be paid into the target? I want the money to be paid into the target every 6 p.m. in the evening. So that's what I want, 6 p.m. in the evening. I'm going to click next. So when I click next, it's going to tell me that every day I need to be saving this particular amount to 1 million at the end of December 30th. So every day I need to be saving 3,558 naira 72 kobo. All right, so now the terms and conditions, you need to understand what you want to go into before you accept it. So when you click on accept here, it means I hereby agree that I will forfeit the interest on this target saving if I fail to meet the target amount of 1 million by the set payback date. So meaning that if I don't get up to 1 million at the end of December this year, 30th of December this year, I will not get interest on the money, but I will still get my actual money. I hereby agree to this. If you break this target before the payback date, you will lose all the interest and bear the 1% payment gates charge for processing your deposits into this target. Meaning that if I say, okay, I want to get the money because of an emergency, I want to get the money out, it means that you're going to lose 1% of whatever you might have saved for payment gateway charge. They're going to charge you 1% of the money you have there, and you also lose your interest. Okay, so that's the thing, you just need to read about it. Okay, so let's go down, and here it's saying save tips, save 3,500 and blah 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 every day to achieve your goal. Okay, so let's go back. That's what target really means. So with this, you can easily do something meaningful for yourself. You can say, okay, I just need 1,000 every day to acquire this at the end of this period. Okay, so you can do the same thing for business, for event and all. So let's go back the same procedure. All right, save box. If I click on save box right now, you're gonna see almost the same thing with that. Deposit anytime, save daily, weekly or monthly, and enjoy up to 4 free withdrawal days yearly, 15% annual. Okay, if you click on proceed, you can say, okay, you can turn on days auto save deposit, and it's gonna tell you the next withdrawal date and all. So you can say, okay, quick, you can even deposit money into this account right now and turn on the auto deposit. That means every money that comes into my Opay balance, they should remove it and put it here for me. And this one means that, to a particular period, I can't remove this money, I can't break this money. So sometimes if you click on the settings, you can know if you can break this thing at any time. But with this one, you can't break it at any time. It means that whatever you have there now, until the set date before you can take it out. So let's go. Fixed. This fix is very powerful. It's amazing. This fix says create your unique savings plan with duration between 7 to 100 days. So you can just say, let me save for 7 days. Let me fix this money for 7 days. And at the end of 7 days, if you do it for 1 year, you're going to get a 10%. So if you don't do it for 1 year, you do it for 7 days. So there is a particular percentage. There's out of that 18%, they are giving you something every blessed day. So the same procedure for that one that I showed you. So let's go back. let's go back. So we have spend and save. Spend and save. This one, it means that, oh, any money that I put in my Opay balance, if I transfer money from my Opay balance, I want a bit of that money to be saved in this spend and save. So let's assume you have 3,000, you have 4,000 or 100,000. So if you send out 1,000 naira, you want a particular amount or particular percent out of the 1,000 you are sending. Let them take particular percent from your balance and keep it here for you. So let's set it. If you want to set it, just click on this button right here and say okay, 1%. So, and click OK, done. So anytime you save money, anytime you send money out of your Opay balance, they are going to remove 1% from your balance that you have left and save it here. So as long as you're transferring, they are taking 1%, saving it for you here. So anytime you need any emergency, you need any urgent money, you can come back here and withdraw your money by clicking on the withdraw button and withdraw it to your Opay balance. All right, let's go back. So can you see, with this you can actually make a lot of money for yourself by saving, by investing, and also referring. Okay, so that's for that. Then if you come to saving report, is that just you are gonna see all your report, all the savings, all the money you've gotten, and how your money is going out and in. All right, interest, you can see total interest, and I've earned 3 naira so far. All right, so let's go. Here, card, your physical card and your visual card, you're gonna get it here. So if you click on me, under me, you have a lot of things here. You can also you can complete your personal information if I want to do so. So total asset, you're gonna see the amount you have in the account, in all the account, your balance, your wealth, your fix, your target, your spend and save, your save. You're gonna see your pay by, if they done any pay, cash back, you're gonna see that too. So this is how you get all of those things. Now your history, if you have done any transaction in the past, you're gonna see here. All right, so go back. Now this account limit, you can set your account to, oh, I want to set it to 2 million limit, a day. So you have that. Also, you can also link your bank, your card to this bank and card account. Opay USD. Some people don't know USSD of Opay. So here you can get the USD. If you want to transfer, you don't want to come to the app, you can easily dial *955 *2* the amount and the 10-digit hash. So that's what you need. So then if you want to do transfer to Opay, I can just *9. So you can go through all these things to know their USSD code. Okay, so let's go to schedule payment. So here you can also do a schedule payment and all. Then if you go there to refer a friend again, you make 800. If you refer anyone, you make 800. And don't forget, your referral code is just your phone number. All right, so, and you can also get your link if you want a link. All right, so it's written here, get 800 when a new user you referred fund their account, their Opay account with 1,000 naira or more. So you get 800 naira from the company give you 800 naira. All right, so that's another ways to make money. So with this, I believe I have showed you everything you need to know about Opay. So if you are still having any question, you can go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. I'll be willing to answer you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're yet to subscribe on this channel, if you're watching from YouTube, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you're watching from TikTok, do give me a follow for more videos like this, and don't be stingy with your like. Give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next video.